Today we will see session number 16. First one is a swept surface. This task shows how to create a swept surface that uses as a explicit profile. You can create a swept surface by sweeping out a profile in a plane's normals to a spine curves while taking other user-defined parameters such as a guide curves and reference elements into account. You can see here swept surface definition box is there and the profile and the subtype is there, profile selection is there, guide curve is there, surface is there, and click preview and OK. We will see in Catia also. Now we will just start and go in mechanical design and in the bottom wireframe and surface design. Click on it. You can see this one is a face. Okay. Now we are just selecting XY plane and a sketch. Uh, Now we are just drawing this one. Zoom it. Yes. That exit the sketch and again ZX plane is selecting sketch. Select the spline and draw spline. Now exit. Now you can select from here. Sweep is there means swept. Profile selection is there. Profile is this one and guide core is this one and preview you can see this one is a preview. Pan it. This one is a preview of it. This is called as a swept command. Next command is the thick surface. This task shows you how to add materials to a surface in two opposite directions. You can see here thick surface definition box is there. First offset 1 mm, second offset is 0 mm, object to offset, no selection, reverse directions, and OK cancel preview. We will see in AutoCAD. In Catia, sorry. Select ZX plane and sketch, draw one spline, exit, and click on start, save, and here is a generative save design. You just click on extrude, select a spline, here, and click on OK. Again, go in mechanical design and part design and see here. This is a thick surface. Select this one as I'm giving 5 mm first offset and select this one preview. You can see this one is a thick surface. Next page is the hybrid design. Hybrid design in Catia refers to a modeling approach where both solids and surface based elements are created within a same body or part. This technique allows designers to leverage the advantages of both solid and modelings. which is typically easiest to manage and modify, and surface modeling as a which is a more flexible for complex shapes. You can see here specification tree. In this part 1, xy plane, yz plane, zx plane, and in a pod body there is a order geometrical set is there, closed surface is there, pocket 1, pocket 2, sketch 3 is there, order geometrical set 4 is there, sieve surface is there. We are seeing a sieve surface. Order geometrical set 5 is there, sieve surface 2 is there, chamfer, edges, geometrical set 3. You can see in Catia. Here you can see here part 12 is there, and xy plane, yz plane, zx plane, geometrical set 1 is there, sketch 2 is there, part body. When you are just clicking on here, here is a absolute axis there, geometry is there, and extrude is there, limit 1, limit 2, thick surface is there. All are just coming in a specification tree. Whichever commands you are using, that all commands are present in a specification tree. That is called as a hybrid design. Thank you. This session is completed.